Hey guys, it's Alan from the Diecast Dudes here with another video. Hey guys, we're doing a little bit of a special unboxing today. We're unboxing the 1x24 scale diecast Super Truck replica of Jeff Gordon's Rainbow Warrior. Okay guys, now let's check out the package. Yeah, obviously 1x24 scale diecast Super Truck replica. You got the truck over here, Super Truck Series, Craftsmen. Back in the day it's Craftsmen. On the back, nothing much. Yeah, you can see it's made by Racing Champions. Okay, now let's get into the truck. Okay guys, now obviously it's the classic Jeff Gordon Rainbow Warrior paint scheme. He ran this for many years. Okay, now let's start with the front of the truck. You got the 24 on the top, obviously yellow 24, blue backdrop, nothing really special there. Craftsman over here, detailed interior, not too detailed but pretty detailed. DuPont, obviously the classic rainbow scheme. Chevy up front, the classic Chevy front for the truck series back in the day. Regular Goodyears. A bunch of side sponsors. Actually, I forgot myself how many they had back in the day. Yeah, you got those all there. And then window net, obviously. Back braces. There's no sponsor on the truck bed back here, obviously, because I had to base it off of a Cup Series ride. Automotive finish, DuPont, GMAC, Valvoline. On the back, DuPont automotive finishes, 24 Chevy. Undercarriage is nothing special. Yeah, it's number 11. I didn't catch it. I don't know if they included it, but I don't know how many they made. But this is number 11, guys. Yeah. So this truck was made quite a while ago, but if you do see this anywhere, I would recommend buying it because it's such a cool scheme and it's nice to see it in a truck series body. Okay, guys, it's been Alan from the Diecast Dudes. Hope you have a great rest of your day.